check it out. This is my latest build. It's a Marx 1829. The shell was pretty beat up. I got it from a friend with a bunch of other parts. And so I decided to paint it in Southern Crescent colors. I removed the visor over the headlight. I didn't like the looks of that with the 1829. And I added an E7 lens and a 19-volt LED behind that. I drilled for cotter pins and added some handrails. I make those from the wire from surveyor flags. And I also put a sound of power unit in the tender. It's got a Lionel board with it. I drilled some holes through the bottom, and I put an aftermarket speaker so I'd give it a little more volume. The Marx boards are a lot louder, but I hate to use a Marx board for a custom. I'll use the Lionel ones. They're more plentiful. And I've got 4 MPC era Southern Crescent passenger cars behind it. So we'll see how it sounds. We'll see how it runs. Alright, it runs great. It's able to pull the Lionel cars. Pretty happy with it. Thanks for watching. God bless, and never forget, Jesus is Lord.